Hello everyone, it's Iving once again, a Pinoy in abroad UAE. Welcome back again to our YouTube channel. Basically, what I do first is to check everything in room. How's Akira? Maybe she done something wrong, and I just finished to wash the dishes that I have used this afternoon. And I want to cook the food and will ask the food from the neighbor because I heard that they are cooking something special. Not really special, but I love the way they are cooking because they are cooking some most traditional Filipino food and vegetables. These are the one they are preparing. This is, we call this mushroom and some what in English of this patola? Yeah, we call this patola. This is, we are calling lupa vegetable, and there's also some ladyfinger here. They're putting some saluyot vegetables. So I'm really excited what they are preparing tonight because last night they are asking me to they asking me to join for the dinner. Unfortunately, that I already had my dinner earlier. You're cooking at this time. This is for boss food. So okay, that's I asking what she's cooking here. Told me that is caldereta. So I'm waiting for that because I also like caldereta. So let's see. No need to prepare the food inside because lots of food here already in the kitchen. So what I do now is waiting the food from the neighbor. So I'm not cooking rice because I have some leftover rice from yesterday. All I need only is to reheat it in the microwave. Tomorrow I will be in Al Ain. So no need to prepare another food for tonight. So this is my beautiful sister here joining me in the vlog. So they are the one who also taking care of. You know, they're really generous, to be honest. So this is the one that always giving us. Yeah. and this is the one that always asking me to join for food. Basically, this is our common life here in abroad. We're currently staying here in Sharjah. So they are talking about the vegetable that they are buying in Satwa. And we can get easily fresh vegetables from the market because Satwa market, small Manila. So see, you can see that fresh vegetables from Satwa. Really, it reminds me when I was staying in Satwa. Yeah, this is Thai spinach. We call that kalunay or kulitis. This is saluit. Saluit, what is the English of saluit?
Molokia.
This is a molokia vegetable and spring onions. Yeah. When it's crowded, most of the Filipino was staying there. That's why they're calling that small Manila. So she's telling me that one time I should visit again Satwa and doing vlog there. But most of the previous vlog always in Satwa. So that's why. Yeah, I already introduced how's the life actually in Satwa. What tired? Why is you so pretty here?
Yeah, I'm pretty there.
Yeah, look at here. You're so pretty here. You're sorry guys that sometimes when I'm talking might you not understand what I'm saying because my tongue's a little bit twisted when I'm talking like this because you know I just trying to share my videos also talking in English because that is more easier for me because that is our common language. But you know I just want also to get some viewers that belongs to other countries, so that's why they can also relate what exactly I'm saying in my vlog. Even my vlog is so simple, only as a daily life here in abroad.
We're going to cook ding-ding, Ilocano dish.
Okay.
Mushroom with
So okay, let's get inside first. We will come back when the food is ready. So I have leftover rice here, so no need to cook. Then I will join to them But my rice is very cold.
Mamain ito.
So let's eat, guys.
Masarap dito. Yung hibi, yung
Kuros.
puros.
So see the caldereta
From my
here.
nanay.
It's
Pag nagluto siya nito, may kuros. Masarap. Ayoko
It's
kasi
very
yung
soft
kuros.
because they cook it in pressure cooker.
Si lola ko lagi yan may kuros.
Hindi ko tayo yung taba.
Mamaya hindi naman makahinga. Okay na. Full charge naman ako that time, kaya carry dosing. Wala na daw diaper si nanay. You're recording. You edit. Ako ko yung toko eh. Nasa mo yung sasabihin siya. Ano yung video siya?